Hi, I'm Joe Valencia. I work for Acorn Engineering. I'm a material manager, working here for 27 years. I was tasked with making room in the company. We were out of room, out of space. So after research, I decided on the lean lifts. After integrating our material into 2 lean lifts, we were able to create 2,000 spaces on the floor. We eliminated 2,000 bins, so that it kind of equates to about a third of our warehouse back to us for more finished goods type of stuff, more heavier stuff that we wouldn't put in the machines. Working with Engineered Products has been a dream. They are here whenever I call them. I get an answer back right away. Very easy to use. We run an SAP system and very seamless integration with our operating systems. It has increased our productivity. Movements in material became a lot easier. Every new person that we have to train, it's very easily to train them. Everybody walks up, it takes a good 5 minutes to train them and it's done. They're able to do it right away with no hiccups, so it's very easy to train a new person in the company. Every morning we get a report telling us what SAP shows we have and what Hanel says we have, and we could easily reconcile that daily. Since this, our accuracy has probably gone, say, 80% down to about 98%. And the 2% that were bad is human error, not on inventory error. It's human error. It's right there where you can do it. You're not lifting things high or low. It's right at perfect height for everybody. Engineered Products is also owned by Pape, and it just so happens that our company works with Pape with our forklift solutions. So now we have the same company doing both, and it worked out really great because now we get the same service from our forklifts and our lifts combined. And we hope to do more business with them in other things that I'm finding they do.
Yeah.